Konnichiwa, hajimemashite, watashi wa namae wa Marcus Joseph desu. Watashi wa nigaku nen, arigatou gozaimasu.
It's not that work it, quick erase it, try it, forget it, distance it, love it, you did it, write it, touch it, say it, hurt it, back it, drop it, touch it, look it, feel it, go it, find it, look it, feel it, go it, look it, look it, feel it, go it, find it, look it, feel it, go it, look it, feel it, find it, go it, find it, look it, feel it, go it, look it, look it, find it, go it, find it, go, 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 lock it, suck it, feel it, go it, find it, look it, feel it, go it, look it, suck it, feel it, go it, find it,
Konnichiwa! Welcome to Japan! I am Marcus, your tour guide, and I will give you a walkthrough around this beautiful country. Japan is an island country in East Asia located in the Northwest Pacific Ocean. It is hailed as the land of the rising sun, literally, because the sun rises first in Japan and then in any other part of the world. That is also why the national flag of Japan bears a crimson red circle at its center that embodies the country's moniker, the land of the rising sun. Japan is famous for creating the world's leading electronics and car brands and home for the most mouth-watering food like ramen and sushi and the most popular manga and anime characters in the world like Naruto or One Piece or Dragon Ball. Now let's have a quick tour around Japan! Tokyo is Japan's capital and largest city. It is the most famous tourist spot in Japan. It is the premier hub for entertainment, shopping, culture, and cuisine. Let's go to some famous tourist attraction in Tokyo. This is the Imperial Palace. It is the most famous landmark in Tokyo. Its beautiful 17th century parks surrounded by walls and moats is a must-see when visiting Tokyo. Welcome to the happiest place on earth! This is the Tokyo Disney Resort, the home of Tokyo Disneyland. Tokyo Disney Resort is a vacation resort located in Shiba. It is originally a single theme park but later developed into a resort with another theme park which is the Tokyo Disney Sea. It has 4 Disney hotels, 6 non-Disney hotels, and a shopping complex. Did you know that Tokyo Disney Resort is the only Disney resort in the world that is not owned nor operated by the Walt Disney Company? Speaking of theme parks, inside the resort, let's go around Disneyland where dreams come true. Tokyo Disneyland is the first Disney park to be built outside the United States and was opened in 1983. The park is known noted for its extensive open spaces to accommodate the large crowds that visit the park. From Tokyo, let's climb up to the most recognizable landmark of Japan, the majestic Mount Fuji. Mount Fuji is the country's highest mountain peak. It is climbed by more than 1 million people each summer as an act of pilgrimage which culminates in watching the sunrise from its summit. Another remarkable place in Japan is the Hiroshima Peace Memorial Park. This is the place that commemorates the many victims of the world's first nuclear attack in 1945. Here you will find a number of important monuments, memorials, and museums relating to the events of the fateful day. Hiroshima has become a symbol of lasting peace. Now we are here in one of Japan's most visited cities, the lovely and historic Kyoto! Kyoto is one of the few cities to be spared the devastation of the World War II. Tourists visit Kyoto to explore fine old streets and architecture, which mostly remain unchanged since the residents of the imperial family took up more than 1,000 years ago. Another one of the most popular places in Japan that probably most Filipinos dream of visiting is Sapporo. Did you know that a Filipino movie called Kita Kita was filmed here? Sapporo is Japan's 5th largest city and one of the youngest major cities. It became famous worldwide for being the first Asian city to host the Olympic Winter Games in 1972. Today, it is well known for its ramen and beer and the annual Snow Festival held in February. When visiting Japan, you should experience walking over the famous Shibuya crossing. Shibuya is a city in Japan that is known for its many shopping places with really cool clothing brands of Tokyo. That is why it is popular district among younger generation. Japan's second largest metropolitan area that is also well known to have food that are filling, sumptuous, yet so affordable is Osaka. Osaka is where Universal Studios Japan is located. USJ was opened in 2001, where over 11 million guests visited in its opening year. This is where you can ride the famous backwards roller coaster called the Hollywood Dream Ride Backdrop. There are 10 different themed areas inside Universal Studios, and one of them was opened to the public in 2014, which is based on the blockbuster Harry Potter film series called The Wizarding World of Harry Potter. Universal Studios Japan is probably every gamer's dream destination. Why? Because this is the home of the Super Nintendo world! Super Nintendo world is also a themed area inside USJ. It is based on Nintendo video games, primarily the very famous Mario. Following several delays due to COVID-19 pandemic, the land had its grand opening last March 2021. I hope you enjoyed our tour to the land of the rising